Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. So once again, maraming salamat sa mga nag-avail no sa tutorial. So yun nga, these are member exclusive videos. So yun, thank you. So let's try to continue. Problem number 4 tayo sa statics. So three smooth cylinders daw, each weighing 500 kN is placed inside a small box as shown. So ito yung box natin. Compute daw the reaction at A, compute the reaction at B, compute the reaction at C. So basically, we'll consider the free body diagram for this third box. However, before we can actually consider the free body diagram of this third box, we need to consider the free body diagram of this box muna. Ito, kasi kailangan natin to get the reaction at A. So considering the top box, let me try to draw. So, ang top box natin weighs 500 kilonewton. Now, it will be carried by two reactions. The reaction here and the reaction here. Now, because of symmetry, they are equal. Okay, so meaning, I hope you will understand that this is actually RA, no? From the figure, that is RA. Is okay. So, ito, tatawagin lang din natin tong RA. Kasi equal man sila. But supposedly, this is from the other not box pala, but cylinder. Okay? So, ang problem natin, wala tayong inclination ng RA. But, if you notice, sa figure, equal, although hindi sinabi no, but equal actually since equal yung weight, we can assume that equal yung diameter. And then, notice, since equal yung diameter, this will actually form an equilateral triangle. Yung center ng mga cylinder will form an equilateral triangle, and we know that the inclination of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. No? O yung mga interior angle ba? So, meaning the inclination here is actually equal to 60 degrees. Okay? So, I hope okay tayo dyan, ha? So, meaning, we can now sum up forces vertical is equal to 0. But anyway, ilipat ko muna to dito. Again, this is considering the first cylinder. Okay, summation of forces vertical tayo. 0. Upward is dalawang RA. By the way, ano yan? Upward is a component man. So it's either sine or cosine. Take note ha, the cosine component is the component with the angle. The sine component is the component away from the angle or outside or yung walang angle. Notice, ang vertical component natin here does not have the angle. Yung horizontal ang merong angle. So meaning, ang vertical component is the sine component. Sine 60 degrees. Okay, now that must be equal to the downward force, which is yung 500. Upward equals downward. You can easily solve RA using your calculator. Ako, I'll just use my shift solve. Ito kasi yung equivalent ng shift solve. Uy, ano to? Sige. RA daw is equal to, sorry. Yeah, 288.675. Okay, which is I think nasa choices naman 289. Okay, so next tayo. Let's compute the reaction at B. Now this time, since we are interested sa reaction sa B, we will now consider the free body diagram of the cylinder, yung nasa ibaba, no? So check natin. So yung cylinder sa ibaba will actually have four forces acting on it. Number 1 is the reaction sa A, which will actually project this way, no? And RA. Number 2 is the weight of the cylinder itself, na 500. Number 3 is the reaction sa B, which is yung sa gilid. Yeah. And then number 3 is yung reaction sa C. Now notice, to solve for the reaction sa B, we can easily, by the way, this is 60 degrees, no? To solve for the reaction sa B, we can easily sum up forces horizontal para ma-solve natin yung reaction sa B. So anyway, ilipat ko muna to. So, tama ko yun ng forces horizontal is equal to 0. So, ang to the right equals to the left. Ang to the right is RB, while ang to the left is lang the horizontal component of RA. Ang horizontal component ng RA, since kanina vertical sine, ngayon, this will be cosine 60 degrees. So, that's RA cosine 60 degrees. So, anyway, you have RB equal to 144. Actually, nandun din sa choices na 144. Okay? So, last problem is yung RC. By the way, for RC, you can actually solve RC by considering the whole section. No, considering the whole section, itong ibaba na to, itong reaction dito is actually equal sa kabila. Itong ibaba din. So, meron tayong dalawang RC. Ito dito at saka dyan. Now, since the whole section, di ba, you can, dito na ilalagay ko. Consider the whole section. Tama ba yung spelling niyan? Consider the whole section. We can actually sum up forces. Vertical is equal to 0. Upward equals downward. So, by the way, hindi ito ha. Hindi yan yung whole section. Ang upward force is dalawang RC. Ang downward force naman is yung tatlong cylinder, which is yung weight niya is tatlong 500. So, meaning, you can now solve for RC very easily, no? So, you can use your calculator. So, that's 750. I think 750. Tama. So, RC is equal to 750. Sige. So, again, actually, ito medyo madali lang to, no? So, if you have any questions or clarifications, ang medyo mahirap lang dito is actually wala namang mahirap dito. Tandaan nyo lang, no, yung idea na this is an equilateral triangle. Kasi nga, equal yung cylinders. Sige? Sige. So, if you have any questions, clarifications, or even corrections, please do not hesitate to comment down below. Salamat.